I'm Dr. Smith, physical therapist, and this is just the Tip Tuesday. So what we're going to do today is go over elbow pain. A lot of guys have reached out to me about elbow pain, weightlifters, and I also have tennis players such as my friend Grant. You'll know what I'm talking about, my friend Decrom. So lots of times you get stressed through the elbow joint, a lot of force goes through the elbow joint. It's because you're not really training your wrist, you're not really training your flexors of the wrist, the extensors of the wrist, and you're not training the shoulder, so your elbow is compensating. So what we're going to start doing is proximal to distal transitions. So start with the shoulder, we can hold it like this, go out to the side, straighten the external rotators and the internal rotators eccentrically. So that's one thing we can do. Another thing we can do for the wrist extensors, where the radial nerve is, so we can hold it here and just extend up. So we're using the wrist against gravity. You can also hold it here and extend up. And then for the wrist flexors, same thing, hold it here or hold it here. By strengthening this, we're going to take pressure off the elbow. So if you have any questions for me, comment below. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Again, I'm Dr. Smith, physical therapist, and thank you for watching. Dr. Smith, physical therapist, and this is, sorry, we're sleep running. I'm Dr. Smith, physical therapist, and today is just the Tip. Hi,
This is the blooper section.
I'm going to put these in the bed. Okay, so here we go.